Hey, come here. Let me tell you something. When you're talking big dog, you're talking heavy duty. When you're talking lucky day competitions, you're talking heavy duty. And when you're talking a bundle like that, you're talking super heavy duty. The only thing that's not heavy duty about this bundle is the £14.97 that you will have to spend to win this bundle. Come here! Let me show you what super heavy duty looks like.
This JCB TN3205 is engineered to elevate your operations. With 145 brake horsepower under the hood, a swift 40k 6-speed gearbox and the flexibility of a pivot steer design. Boom light for after dark work. Joystick controls for seamless operations. Includes a robust set of attachments, an 8-foot Johnston Bucket, a 5'2" Johnston Shear grab, a 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗲𝗄 Bale grab, and an MDE 9-foot Triton Fork.
For just £14.97, all those heavy duty jobs mean f*** all. Just wee buns. LuckyDayCompetitions.com. Get across, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be your lucky day.